Good morning, you guys. Today is our sad day when we go home. It was really good overall. Just wanted to talk about the room really quick. We made it work. It was small, but for both, the two of us, it worked. I don't know how you would do it with a whole family. You would really have to be organized where you put things. Behind me by the door is where we put all the trash cans, because there was 5, and our shoes. And then this section right here, we put all the food, like chips, snacks, anything we brought that was food to eat in the moment, we ate. And then technology, because I needed to like transfer everything. And then the fridge came handy. We bought a bunch of sodas and things at Target. And so we would just put them in there and then every day take them out. So you can still see there's a couple things in there. So that's that. Up here is where we put the suitcases. Open the way Brendan's is right now, because we didn't want to put stuff in the drawers just for extra precaution. See, I didn't even know that this was here. This would have been helpful. But that tend to work out. And then the extra 2 suitcases, because we brought 2 for souvenirs, they're slowly picking out. Those were underneath the bed, so they just wouldn't be in the way. And then we took them out 2 nights ago, just so we could start packing all the souvenirs. The bathroom was the only big issue, just because it's one sink, it's quite small, you can hear everything, which I don't know if it matters or not to you, but so we had to share the sink. The mirror's really small. When we tried putting contacts in, that was an issue in the morning. But I think that was overall it. There was no other big issues. This floor does attract a lot of like dust and things like that, so walking barefoot I would not suggest, just because you don't get house cleaning, so you know it collects. When we needed what's it called, towels, I just called. They said how many. I told them how many. I told them 5, and then I told them I needed the trash taken, and they said put everything outside and we'll do it. So we did. They came, they cleaned out all the trash cans, left them outside, and then they gave us towels and washcloths. So that was nice. And that was the only time we actually needed that. There is no microwave here, as we learned. So don't expect a microwave. And then we also learned that there's like a little pocket here with stuff. Yay! That we never use, because Brendan's the only one that drinks like coffee like this, and I don't. And then I drink green tea, but just not all the time. Alright, I thought I woke up early. I have 20 minutes. I thought I would just walk you around the resort and see what we see. Hopefully I don't get lost, because I'm going by myself, taking my phone just in case. I already packed. Don't worry, you're probably like, what are you doing? I packed. Alright, which way should we go? Let's go this way. So this is the way we used to go to the resort. We are on room 3135. It is so foggy. Give me a second. Where we used to come out of. The lobby is straight ahead if you pass all of the cars. So when we first got here, we did a whole 360. So we got to the lobby and we went left. So we ended up going through all the decades until finally we got to 90. So there's the pool. It's closed right now. And again, we did not swim. That was in like my regrets video. And yet here I am, not swimming. Laundromat. I will tell you, in the swimming pool, you don't have to wear your mask if you're in the pool. If you're outside the pool, you have to wear it. And we just didn't feel comfortable with that, so. Because there's no social distancing in the pool. Yeah, kiddos are kiddos and they're just going everywhere. So there's the cube. Isn't it cool? I'm trying to find where the little player guys are, because I thought they were cool. Pac-Man. And you're fogging up again. Give me a sec. There's multiple pools in this resort, so this is the one closest to us. But it is smaller and it's not as cute as the other one. You know what that is? Hopefully you do. More Pac-Man. Pool hour, 10 to 10. Reasonable. But everything goes to 10, so then if you're like a night owl and you're like, okay, it just needs to bring close to 10, maybe I should go for a swim. It's close. Too late. Go to sleep kind of thing, you know? Roger Rabbit. Or Pac-Man. I like Roger Rabbit growing up. We had the VHS for it, and I used to watch it quite a bit. And now that I watch it as an adult, I'm like, huh, was this meant for kids? Was this meant for adults? Who was this movie meant for? Look how cool this is. It's a Walkman now. That one is beyond my time. I never used one of those. And there's numbers. I should call myself. Oh, it's a keyboard. Should I spell my name out? It's beautiful out here. Right now it's not too hot. I'm wearing my Spirit jersey. B. A. Uh-oh. C. K. Oh my gosh, I forgot how a keyboard works. T. Oh. T. That's right, there's two. A. Yes, they're next to each other. L. K. What's that spell? That's right, Backttalk. Alright, let's keep going. I am pretty impressed with my knees during this trip, honestly. They hurt here and there, and I did take like ibuprofen, and that was good enough. Another Rubik's Cube. I've never tried beating one of them. It just isn't something that I aspire to do. We had them at home. I know my brothers did them. I think my dad did them. But I just never cared. And I like puzzles. Look, they actually have their butts. Their backs, their butts. The detail is crazy. Like, it even says, like, the trademark. It's insane. I don't know, I'll show you. There's quite a bit of people on this end, so I'll be a little more quiet. Aren't they cool? I think they're super cool. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, there it is. Out here tripping. They do have a jogging trail across, and it was probably very beautiful. I saw a couple people jog, but I'm like, we walk briskly at the parks. I don't know why B and I can't just like stroll around. I think if we lived close to here and we had like annual passes, we would. I know at Disneyland we're getting a lot better at it, just because we go so often that we're like, oh, we know what we like, kind of thing. But here, if we're not sweating by the time we get to a ride, we didn't walk right. Look, you have Twister. Social distancing. That means you play by yourself. I'm not gonna touch it, don't worry. Are they soft? No. Right foot on red. Done. Wow, I'm so good at this game. That's really cute though. Again, I don't know how to put my hands on it. But if you're a child, guys, this is a piece of resistance. This is my favorite part of this resort. I'm getting so lost. I wonder if I'm gonna have to walk the way I came in. Oh, there's a lot of movement. Look at this dancing queen. Young and free. Only 17. I don't know if that's the actual lines. Look! Look how cool this is. We used to play foosball all the time. As kids, we had a table in our garage. And so this is absolutely amazing. Hold on, I'm in the wrong direction, aren't I? Hold on, I'll be one of these guys. There's the ball. See? And then you just move. I'm really good at it though. Not gonna lie. Am I as good as my brother? Absolutely. My oldest brother didn't play with us. I don't know why. Too cool for us, I think. No, Eric, you were at Southway. There's Mickey picking up the phone.
Well, let's start at the Jungle Cruise.
Let's keep going. Lots of families waking up. Sounds like they're going to the Magic Kingdom. It's 9. They're late. They're late. If you think you're waking up early, you're not at this park. There's always someone who's waking up earlier than you. It's crazy. I don't think we ever got to a line early enough. Okay, what time are we at? 8:52. I have to go back in 8 minutes. I'm not super lost as I thought I would be. There's the cheeses. That's what we called them. I called them. Velveeta cheese? No. Those red cheeses with the wax outside. I don't like them, so I don't know the name of them. My parents like them. Brendan likes them. I just don't. Yep, I'm a little lost. That's cool though. It's fine. It'll work out. It'll be great. Here you have a car. You would have told me from what. It's gonna say Fast and Furious, but it's the wrong franchise. You have Goofy and you have a cheese. This Goofy's also at the resort in California. We went there for our honeymoon and he was there greeting us at the lobby. So which resort you asked? I don't remember. Do I ever remember anything? I will always look it up for you guys. And eventually I'll remember it. I think there are red ones that you don't remember because you don't care, and I don't think that's true. And then there's also like not remembering because you didn't put the effort into it. That one might be a little more true. I think if I put more effort into trying to remember like where the room was and things like that, I would be better at it. When my friend and I go shopping together, you know, before all of this happened, we would take one car, right? Obviously, carpool, and we would get out of the mall and be like, okay, where do we park? And neither of us knew. Like, that's how bad it is. So if I travel with someone who's just as like me, no bueno. Okay, I think I'm going way too far. Alright, I need to start going back. I'll show you the lobby once we're up there. But yeah, it's pretty much this resort. Attached to this resort is Art of Animation with like the Little Mermaid and King Triton and all that. Alright, let's figure this out. There's a lot of movement, like I said. It was a good trip overall, I would say. Like a couple hiccups here and there, not gonna lie. So here's a map, and then there's the numbers, and then there's the main pool over there. But I'll show you later. There's the map. Use it when you get here, so you don't end up like us. Because that's the last thing you want to do is be frustrated the moment you get here because you can't find your hotel, and it's hot, right? And the moisture is always a shock. But yeah, so we got off the bus. We thought we knew where we were going. Went left, carrying the bags in the middle of the day. And you know, here it's so hot in the middle of the day and so moist. And like we were like getting, you know, used to it. So it was just kind of frustrating finding the hotel. It felt like it was so far, but we realized we just took the wrong turn, and then everything got better, you know. But save yourself from that. Really look at the map. Ask. So the playgrounds are closed right now, which makes sense. No judgment there. I think it's the right thing to do. What is that supposed to be? A mood ring? I still have a mood ring. I used to wear a mood ring in high school. In my thumb. I don't think it'll fit my hand anymore. Definitely not right now. Right now I'm like swollen. Alright, just to go this way. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, there's a ton of signage. I think it's just because we were excited that we were here that we missed all the signs. Alright, this is the part where I get lost. So here's 8. It's got a big phone. I also did not have that phone. That is also beyond my time. My first one was a flip phone. A hard one at that. It survived every fault possible. It was a prepaid phone. Fun story. Yeah. I used to work as a tour marketer to do surveys, not to sell. I don't think I would be really good at selling. I don't think I would be at all, actually. And so I would have to pay for my phone bill when I was maybe 16. Not my freshman year. It had to be 15 and a half is when I started working. And then I was able to get my own phone. This is cool too. Right? You do get to see a lot of uncovered noses around here. That's like a thing. And then the poor cast members always have to say, cover your nose, yeah? I wonder how long we'll do this for. What do you guys think? I know there's like predictions of where the vaccine will come from, but hi you guys, I thought I would do a quick outro for walking around with me. I hope you enjoyed walking around with me and hearing my weird stories as I walk through Pop Century. I also have a video on the actual room tour. If you wanted to see that, I'll link it below and I'll also post it at the end of this. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment if you've ever been there, and what's your favorite part. For me, I think it's the it's not for foosball players. I think that part is so pretty, or maybe the huge Mickey that's on the phone. I think those two would be my favorite parts of that resort. Or let me know what's your favorite resort, because I know I want to try a new one next time I go, because there's just so much to do and so much to see at Disney World. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and until next time.